Tackle whatever your day brings with KISHIGO's Color Contrast High-Performance Surveyors Vest. Meticulously crafted with ultra-cool 100% polyester mesh, this vest will help you beat the heat, but still ensures maximum visibility. It features 2-inch wide bands of high-performance reflective material against 3 inches of contrasting color to manage your workforce more efficiently. The zipper front closure matches the contrast for better visibility and is reinforced with webbing for durability. You'll also appreciate the padded neck for additional comfort and the convenience of left and right mic tabs, 2 lapel grommets, and 6 pockets, including a left chest radio pocket and clear ID holder with flap, a right chest 2-tier 4-division pencil pocket, left and right full-length outside pockets, an inside lower left tablet pocket with a load-bearing strap, and an inside lower right full-length pocket, and a hidden back pouch with left and right zipper access. KISHIGO's Color Contrast High-Performance Surveyors Vest is ready when you are and is available in line with royal blue, red, green, and pink contrast in sizes small to 5X.